In today's video, we're taking a close look at a cleaning gadget that's fast, powerful, and completely cordless. The UltraBlow VC023 electric air duster. With a motor speed of 100,000 RPM, it promises to make dust disappear in seconds. Whether it's your keyboard, car, or home, this tool claims it can handle it all. Let's see what it can really do. The UltraBlow VC023 air duster is designed for anyone who wants powerful, efficient cleaning without the hassle of disposable air cans. This rechargeable electric air duster features an impressive motor speed of up to 100,000 RPM. With a blowing power of 1.86 to 2.51 ounces, it's built to tackle stubborn dust in seconds. Its upgraded design includes a new knob mode function, allowing the user to switch between 3 airflow speeds. Whether it's delicate electronics or more demanding surfaces, it can remove up to 99% of dust in just 1 minute. Safety and portability are key features of this model. The cordless design makes it lightweight and easy to handle, while the ABS plastic shell ensures durability and impact resistance. The built-in battery has temperature, current, and short-circuit protection for safe charging every time. Unlike disposable compressed air cans, this device is reusable, saving both money and waste. Its comfortable grip and compact build mean it can be used anywhere, from home offices to vehicles, without the need for bulky equipment. The UltraBlow comes equipped with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, making it a versatile cleaning kit. It can clear dust and crumbs from keyboards, computers, printers, car seats, and even sofas. Beyond cleaning, it can inflate swimming rings, air cushions, and kayaks when set to the first speed. It's also handy for outdoor activities, such as helping to ignite a barbecue. This multi-purpose approach ensures that one device can handle countless tasks around the home, office, or on the go. Powering the air duster is a 7,500 mAh battery, providing 20 to 40 minutes of continuous operation. A USB-C fast charging cable is included, with a full charge achieved in 3 to 4 hours. The built-in LED display shows battery life and airflow speed, while the LED light brightens the cleaning area for precision work. With its blend of power, safety, and versatility, the UltraBlow VC023 is a smart, eco-friendly alternative to traditional compressed air cans. So, that's the UltraBlow VC023, a compact yet powerful solution for dust, crumbs, and more. With its reusable design, multiple attachments, and impressive battery life, it's a smart alternative to disposable air cans. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.